How to see blocked messages on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can see blocked messages on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes Apple by default actually blocks unknown senders who has been trying to send you a message and sends them to a separate spam folder. So whenever you open the messages app, by default you are on this particular page where you can just see the filters tab. Now instead of all messages, you have to go to this option here known as unknown senders, which means that any person whom you don't recognize or Apple might think you don't recognize, their messages will get to send to this particular folder where you should be able to see those messages. The other is, now let's say you happen to manually block someone, and while they were blocked, of course it's not going to notify the other person that they have been blocked. So when they send you a message, according to them it's been sent, but you have not received it, and in that case you will never even receive it. Even if you unblock them, that message will always stay where they are. They will never get sent to you and the other person will not know about it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.